I'm in the manufacturing industry because of my love and nature for it. When I was younger and I was 15, 16 years old and I got my first car, one of the first things that I wanted to do to it was either change parts or modify it or make it go faster. And that type of mechanical ability that I grew up with really stemmed into the career that I have now of being able to help and work on and provide solutions to customers that are making those very same parts that I purchased growing up as a kid. At Lyndex-Nikken, I started in the inside sales department. I was there for around 9 months, to where I then transitioned into the engineering department and started to learn about live and static tooling on lathes. From there, I was in that position for about 1.5 years, and then I graduated into the Rotary Table Department, which upon working at Lyndex-Nikken was always my goal to be in that department. I've always wanted to work in the Rotary Table Department because of the product and what it can deliver for customers. Using a rotary table, you are able to manufacture and make much more precise parts, and being able to be in that department and see the final results of customers purchasing one of those and what they can accomplish has always been something satisfying to me. While working here, one or many highlights that I've had is the ongoing projects and challenges that are associated with it. Every time a customer comes to us with an inquiry or a specific project, usually there is no easy answer to that. And being able to design and come up with a plan and implement it and provide that full solution to the customer, once that customer receives it and everything is working the way it is intended, that has always been something that I've always been very proud of. In manufacturing, everything is always changing, it's always evolving, there's always new product, new technology, and being able to be a part of that and seeing all of that roll out and to be able to utilize it to further develop new projects or other items that our company sells has always been very interesting. When customers call us and I'm talking to them and they mention the quality of our product, usually it is always in the highest regards. There are rotary tables out there that are older than me, that are still churning away, making parts, doing exactly what they needed to do. Hearing those types of stories and hearing that feedback from a customer really further solidifies the Nikken brand and the Nikken product and what they have to offer. Right now in this economy, to where customers are looking to use or revitalize older machines as opposed to purchasing new machines, one of the best recommendations that I can do as far as our rotary tables is to recommend a checkup or a preventative maintenance service. Being able to have somebody come to your facility and check any of the rotary tables, if not all of them, give you an assessment, let you know the condition that they're in, and also give you a recommended maintenance schedule or a recommended plan to have them fully serviced, will be able to set you up in the future so that that piece of equipment is always running optimally and when it's in most demand. If you or anyone else that you know is looking into getting into a manufacturing career, the main piece of advice that I could offer is ask questions, be humble. Don't think that there's only one way to do something. In manufacturing, there's so many different ways that you can accomplish the same goal, and really just keeping your eyes open and being able to absorb as much as you can has really been one of the best learning experiences for me and made me a better person.